Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you two recipes. One is the okra. This is a pre-cut ready to go okra. Not thinly sliced, but you can do it either ways. And just a regular seasoning that you've been seeing on my channel. But in this curry we are going to add peanut powder. So let's get our pan ready. Heat up the pan. Now this vegetable can also be prepared with potato or even the tamarind jaggery sauce, and it tastes amazing. But this one is going to be a very simple recipe. So let's wait until the oil is all ready for our mustard seeds. You can add green chilies to this also. And if you want to add green chilies, please add them in the seasoning. So it will just bring out the flavor a lot more. In goes asafoetida and now turmeric, just half teaspoons, and the okra. You're just going to saute it. It's a very simple curry, but very tasty. So you can just make rolls out of it. Just on the go will be also a perfect idea. Okay, this, as you can see, these are called curry leaves. Bring out fantastic flavor. So you can add this too in the seasoning. But right now I'm just going to add it. I'm just going to lightly crush it and add it to the vegetable. This will also bring out the flavor. But if you add those to the seasoning, they will bring out much more. They will be more flavorful that way. Okay, I have the dal ready, pressure cooked. It's a tur dal or masoor dal or whichever dal you prefer. And it's all ready to go. This is going to be a jeera fried or a cumin seed fried dal. I'm just going to get the curry leaves ready. Now let's chop the onions also and tomato, get that ready. But in the meantime, let's add salt to this vegetable. So when it's actually sauteed, it will get very nicely mixed up. As always, I'm also going to add a little bit of sugar to that to bring out the flavor. And that's pretty much it. We'll be only sauteing it, and we'll be putting the lid on for just few minutes. You don't need that to be put on for a long time, just so it gets enough cooked. We don't want to keep it too raw. And then add peanut powder, and that's it, ready to go. And this dal fry, the Jeera Dal Fry, we will be adding oil right now, but you can add ghee and make the tadka only with pure ghee, or you can add a bit of oil and ghee. To this we are not going to add mustard seeds at all, just only jeera, only cumin seeds, and that too in a little bit of a larger quantity, not like a teaspoon, maybe 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, let's get our onion chopped and ready. This is also a very simple curry, and you can prepare it ahead of time, or you can just, since this is both going to be cooked at the same time, you pretty much save a lot of time in cooking and planning what to cook. And this can go with either chapati or rice or both.
roughly chopping the tomatoes
Okay, let's stir it one more time. This green color looks so amazing, and the okra is really fresh, store-bought. Okay, we need some more jeera in this. There. Okay. To that, I'm going to add asafoetida, a little bit more than normal because we need that flavor. A little bit more turmeric than normal. There. You hear that? We need that in our seasonings for sure. Okay, in goes the tomatoes and onion. Let's give it a quick stir. Yeah, like I said, you can use the same spoon for both. It is okay. So we are going to get ready with the dal also, because we want to add some water to dal. And in the meantime, I will definitely keep an eye on the vegetable and make sure that it's stirred frequently. Okay, give it a quick stir to our okra. Then add about a tablespoon of peanut powder. Tastes amazing. Now give it a stir to our tomatoes and onions. In goes the dal. There. Now salt to taste and sugar as well, since the tomatoes are going to be a bit sour, something that we all can try. And then here I'm going to add a little bit of red chili powder, but you can add either like green chilies or red chili powder and to your taste. So we eat a little less spicy, so I'm going to add just a 1/4 of a teaspoon, but you can add according to your taste. So pretty much both the dishes are ready, both the recipes are ready. I'm going to cover it again for a little bit, the okra. And while bringing a boil to the dal, one more time, give it a last quick stir. And turn the heat off. Ooh, yummy. This looks really amazing. So I never add water to this curry, it just as is, just absolutely tasty. And now I'm going to bring the dal onto the other stove top and just keep it until we see a boil. It's pretty much ready to go, so please try it at home. Let me know how it turns out for you, how you like it, or if there is any other way you're doing it. Look at the dal, it's looking so yummy. My gosh, our lunch and dinner is ready. Let's get the plates out. So please let me know how it comes out for you, and like I said, if you are doing it in any other way, please share your ideas with me. Garnish it with lots and lots of coriander. Brings out the taste even more. So please like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. And I will bring you many more yummy recipes. But for now, enjoy. Okay, let's garnish it with coriander. My Winnie is ready to eat too. Have fun. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.